Want to change your TikTok account from personal to business account on your iPhone? Well, look no further. In this video, I'll show you how you can switch your TikTok account from personal to creator or business account on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Accounts. Here, you will switch to Business Account option. Tap on it. Now tap Next for a couple of times. After that, choose a category. Then you can edit your profile from here or you can skip. Now tap Visit Business Suite. Here you can see all the business account features. Now, if you want to go back to your personal accounts, then go back and tap on the three lines from the top right corner again. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap Account and tap Switch to Personal Account and then tap Switch Anyway. And it's switched. Here's how you can change your TikTok account from personal to business account on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Or if you have any questions, then write them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.